Hello everyone, I bought this iPhone 13 in blue color, and this is packing. There is no polythene wrapper like that, and we can open it just by removing this strap, and it's looking very nice. So let's check it. This is phone, this is charging cable, this is SIM ejector, this is a sticker, let's check the device. Finishing is very good. This is switch on and off button, and this is for the silent, and this is for volume decrease, and this is for increasing the volume. This is a charging place for lightning cable. And display is 6.1 inches, and this is Super Retina XDR display, and this is feeling very nice, and the design is as well. This is Apple logo. What we get, this is a charging cable, this is USB-C to lightning cable. Lightning cable is just like normal we used to charge for iPhone, and this is USB-C. So we do not get any charger with this phone in the box, so that charger need to be buy separately if you do not have any. So I bought this one. This is 20-volt power adapter, USB-C. So I bought it from Apple store. It cost me around 1900 rupees. So this need to be buy separately. So let's check the phone. This is SIM ejector for inserting the SIM. So let's turn it on. Let's select the language. You can select the countries. So you can also start it quickly or you can set it manually. So it's saying that for the quick start, bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. So just a minute. So I have bring my iPhone near it. It has detected the phone. So this is working on finishing the setup and configuration. So it asking as the setup has been synchronized with the other phone, the older phone. So it asking for the password which I had with my old phone. So it's setting up. So it's better to charge your phone before using. So it has set up the Face ID recognition. So you have two options. If you want to transfer your old phone data, it can do it from iCloud, or you can also transfer it directly from the phone. So let's check the other option. So there are many options from where you would like to get your data, from old phone or from the iCloud, or other options available here. So data is getting transferred from my old phone. So now backup has been completed. All the data and applications have been moved from older phone to new one. These are also available in the older phone, so there's all the data has been transferred to this one as well. So this is iPhone 13 and it's 128 GB. If we compare it up with the iPhone 12, there are many upgrades included in iPhone 13. So if we talk about the display, this is similar to iPhone 12. This is 6.1 inches and this is Super Retina XDR display. It is very smooth. So if we talk about the camera, in iPhone 13 it is crossed like this. In iPhone 12 it was in vertical mode. There is one here and one here, but in iPhone 30 they have changed it to in the cross direction, and this is improved camera than iPhone 12. There is also included the cinematic view for recording in iPhone 13. If we talk about the processor, there is a A15 Bionic chipset included in this, and iPhone 12 had A14. So if we compare about the CPU, there is also upgraded new CPU available in this. There is also GPU included in this, which is also new one, and there is also neutral engine of 16 core included in this, which is also new in comparison to iPhone 12. So if we talk about the battery, this iPhone 13 having 2 hours of video playback more than the iPhone 12. So iPhone 12 started from 64 GB, but iPhone 13 started from 128 GB. If we talk about the height and width, height is also same regarding the iPhone 12. This is also the same, that is width. And if we talk about the depth, it is some more than the iPhone 12. In iPhone 12 it is 0.29 inches, but in iPhone 13 it is 0.30 inches. And if we talk about the weight, iPhone 12 has around 162 grams, but iPhone 13 is around 173 grams. If we talk about the connections and SIM, so iPhone 12 can keep one nano SIM and one eSIM at a time. So there can be 2 connections active at a time. In iPhone 13 there can also be the 2 connection active at a time, but there is a option you can keep one nano SIM and other eSIM, or even 2 eSIMs. So there is a one addition in this, but maximum that can be 2 active at a time. If we talk about the similarities, both the phone can record videos in 4K, and both having the 5G capabilities, both having the face ID recognition, both are water resistant, both are compatible with the MagSafe compatibility accessories, and both can charge in 30 minutes up to 50% with 20 watt of charger. So in comparison to everything, this is the upgraded version right now. So there are different views available in the recording. So you can use cinematic views. Camera quality is also good. So overall, if we compare it with iPhone 12, there are many upgrades included in this, and there is a upgraded processor, there is a upgraded camera capabilities, there is a improved battery performance, and even the processor is also very smooth and upgraded in this version. So there is also cinematic view recording available in this, and there is also CPU, GPU, and other things upgraded. Color is also very nice. Thank you for watching the video.